Hey there! Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make a refreshing tropical smoothie. This smoothie is bursting with pineapple, mango, and coconut flavors. No matter when you make it, it's gonna make you think of summer. A while back, we were eating in a Caribbean restaurant and my son ordered a mango smoothie. And as soon as I took one sip, I knew I had to recreate this recipe. This tropical smoothie is my version of the restaurant's recipe. It's so smooth and refreshing. I find myself making them all the time now. So let me show you how to make it. This tropical smoothie couldn't be any simpler to make. We're going to start with some frozen mango, then we're going to add some fresh pineapple. Next up, I have some plain Greek yogurt, and next we want to add a little bit of sweetness, so I have some cream of coconut. And you can find this in the grocery store in a can. Sometimes it comes in a squeeze bottle, but it really adds a nice sweetness and that great coconut flavor. And to add a little bit of a healthier side to this smoothie, I like to put a little bit of ground flax into it. You don't even know it's there, it just adds a little something something to it. And that's it. We're just going to process it in our blender for a few seconds until everything is nice and smooth. All right, so that's it. A couple quick seconds in the blender and you have a delicious tropical smoothie. Let me pour this up for you. So this is just like summer in a glass. So refreshing, so sweet, and just bursting with tropical flavors. Thanks for watching. You can get the full instructions in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.